Previously, I'd been to an oral surgeon. He didn't want to do the extractions that I needed. So that's how I found Dr. Bobst. Lo and behold, Dr. Bobst found 2 roots. It had been causing me pain for a couple years. The surgery was scheduled right away. He did it, and I was in no pain. I'm just so happy that he found it and he got it. He is the greatest, the absolute greatest man I've ever met. I highly recommend Boise oral surgery to everyone that ever needs oral surgery done to themselves or any of their friends and family.